Imagine creating hundreds of spooky, fun, and adorable Halloween coloring pages for kids without drawing a single line. With 100 easy-to-use Halloween prompts, you can instantly generate the perfect coloring pages to sell, share, or use for yourself. These prompts work seamlessly with a secret AI art creation tool, available in both free and paid versions. Perfect for busy entrepreneurs. Just copy, paste, and watch as your AI brings to life simple, line-drawn Halloween scenes. Crafted to create high-demand images like cute witches, playful ghosts, and spooky pumpkins, these prompts are designed to sell. Create digital coloring books, printables for Etsy, or personalized activity sheets. The market for kids' coloring pages is endless. You get exactly what you need to start producing eye-catching, engaging coloring pages, instantly boosting your creative potential and sales. Each prompt brings to life classic Halloween themes, from smiling pumpkins to friendly ghosts and witches. Mix and match prompts, tweak details, and create truly unique pages that no one else has. Don't miss out on this opportunity to create and sell adorable, spooky, and fun Halloween coloring pages that kids and families will adore. Click the link below and unleash the Halloween magic.